Hello everyone, I hope you are doing very well. Today we're gonna study 5 French words at the vegetable garden. I wanted to make this video for 3 reasons. First, I'm very passionate about linguistics. Second, I think knowing foreign words at the garden can facilitate conversations about gardening. And third, it can facilitate discovering gardens when you travel. The first one is le potager, which means the vegetable garden. This is how you spell it, le potager. And I think it's a very interesting word because potage means the soup. So the potager is the garden that produces all the vegetables that you put in the soup. So that's easy mnemonic to remember. The next word I selected in French is désherber, which means to weed. So désherber, and it's like I can show you what. For example, in here you have what we could call a mauvaise herbe. So we désherber. So this is an herb. We remove it. It's like désherber. Il faut que je le redise ou?
Peut-être.
Okay. The next I selected is désherber. Désherber, you can see, which means to weed, and it means so herbe means the weed, so désherber means unweed. The next word I want to show you is le paillage, which means the mulch. So paillage, you can see some paillage here. It's what we call what we put on the ground to protect it, and it's an interesting word because paillage, like in paillage you have paille, and paille means straw. So it basically shows that the one of the basic material you can use to do some mulch is straw. So it's like if you would call, instead of mulch, you would call it like a storage, paillage. Okay. The next word I want to show you in French is ail. So ail, you can see how it's spelled. It's in 3 layers, and it means garlic. And we are in front of the garlic here. So the origin of the word is not very clear. There are several theories, but you can remember it easily because ail is also how the French say ouch when something is burning, so or something is painful. So it refers to the fact that the garlic is spicy. The last French word I want to show you is in front of it. You can see it's this plant. So this plant is a tournesol. So I will show you. Tournesol means sunflower. So you can see some tournesol seedlings in here. And I think it's a very interesting word because tournesol means turning around the sun. Tourne means turning, and sol, the sun. So the tournesol turns around the sun. Don't hesitate to share if you have other French words at the garden that you would like to study. Thank you very much, and I talk to you soon.